Hi guys, it's Micah Barnes and Singer's Playground again. Lovely to have you here, and with my friends Rue and April who are helping me out.
Yay!
Yay! Okay.
So here's the deal. Today I want us to look at the resonant skull. So I'm going to start you guys off thinking about, we've already got our diaphragms working from the other videos, and this time around, as the air escapes down, imagine an empty tube where the air is traveling so that there's no grabbing and no squishing or any grabbing from the throat muscles at all. And the air is going to resonate in the skull, right? The best way to make that happen is to close down the sigh to a hum so it becomes hum, like that. Why don't we bring our friend Rube in to have a look at that? Sir?
Being funny faces again. This is
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all for a good cause.
It is.
So it's all about the sigh turning into a hum. That's it. And I like to manipulate my lips because it creates more of a buzz on the lips.
Mm-hmm.
Try that again. Let me just watch and hear you. It's good. Did you guys notice at home that Rue went up when he breathed in? Right? That's one of his habits, probably yours too. It's general. Most people do it. We think notes are here. Yeah. And really you'll find that you're going to want to set your microphone down. And you're, right? And so you're home, you're like, okay, when I go to sing, I'm, right?
Okay.
So let's change your name.
Okay.
So let's
see.
Try again. And feel that buzz on your lips. How's that feel? You got that?
It's buzzy.
Yeah?
Yep.
Come on in, I want to show you guys something more. Try this at home. If you can slide from note to note. That's it. And fill that balloon. Yeah. That's it. Now if you feel that buzz at the front of your lips like that, that's going to end up spreading all over your skull.
Yeah.
And that's what you want.
You want a buzzy skull.
Buzzy skull.
That's what I've learned so far. You want a balloon to fill up and you want your skull to buzz.
That's it. Really
That's what
simple. It's really physical, right? It's really experiential. In fact, physical is where we're going next. So when we do our next clip, get ready guys. You'll be wearing your gym clothes for the next one.
Oh, I didn't pack.
Thanks guys, see you soon.
As the years go by, we'll be looking back at this pretty photograph of the two